there was a lot of damage to my older roof at my house, and I was in the market for a new roof. I contacted a couple of roofing companies. Some never responded. Guardian was like extremely prompt in response. Michael reached out to me right away. And he, in fact, showed up the very next day, did an inspection on the roof, and gave me two different quotes for the type of project that I was interested in. In addition to that, I was also able to get the military discount, which I appreciated. And I would like to thank Guardian Roofing for supporting our veterans and military. Once I finalized the project, we decided to have a start date in early December. And every time throughout the process, I was getting calls from Guardian to make sure everything was still on schedule and there were no hiccups in our project. The crew that showed up was extremely punctual. They showed up on time. They made sure that they notified me that my driveway would be blocked for 2 to 3 days, given the nature of this work, and they set to work. One of the things I liked was the crew went above and beyond and made sure any trash or debris that fell into my neighbor's yard was also cleaned up. When the project ended, they told me that they have finished their job and left, and I got a follow-up call from Guardian to make sure everything was good. I highly recommend Guardian Roofing to anyone who's looking to get their roofs replaced, repaired here in Western Washington. Thank you.